Here is the easiest way to convert a PDF file into PowerPoint or PPTX using Adobe Acrobat. So this is my PDF file. Let's open this PDF file in my Adobe Acrobat, and here we can see my PDF file, all pages. Now go to File, hover over on Export to, select Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Here make sure to save, select here Format PPTX, and you can rename the PowerPoint project here and then click on Save. And it may take some moments to export or convert the file. Once done, the file will automatically open in your PowerPoint, and here you can see my PDF already converted into PowerPoint, and now I can easily edit my PowerPoint presentation. After finishing your editing, don't forget to click on Save, and then I'm going to my File Explorer, and here we can see the PPTX or PowerPoint project that I just converted from my PDF.